Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a flour review with a bit of a difference. We've noticed in the comments just of late, people have been asking for a one-day dough, same-day dough, quick dough, all them kind of things. So we've been rooting around the internet looking for a flour that we think fits the bill, where you can get a dough within around about 90 minutes. So here's Oliver, and he's going to tell you a bit more about it.
So this flour we have here is by Molino Rossetto, and the thing that makes it quick is that as opposed to using traditional baker's yeast, it uses brewer's yeast, which is much more reactive than normal yeast.
So with that, let's give it a go, and let's cue the music.
Right, so now we're going to start making the pizza. The first thing you want to do is get 435 grams of lukewarm water. That'll give us an hydration of about 60%. Now we're going to get us a bowl and tip in the bag of flour. See, just like that. So, just going to add a little bit of water and mix that round with a fork. And once that's all mixed in, add a bit more. And some more. And like when you're making most pizzas like this, you'll obviously start to get a doughy consistency. Making sure to get all the flour. You don't want any flour pockets. Just add in the final drop of water. If you do happen to need any more, you can add it. Now this looks ready for kneading. So all you're going to do, scrape it straight out onto your work surface. Just going to do like a push, fold. Just keep doing that, incorporating any bits of flour that haven't been mixed in. So after you've kneaded the dough for a while, all you're going to want to do, put it into your bowl and cover it with your shower cap, just like that. You can also use a towel or cling film. Now we're going to leave that for an hour.
Okay, so that's an hour past, and what we're going to do next is we're going to boil it up, but let's have a look just at that. So it's kind of doubled up in size, like it's to happen on the packet. So this is, as I say, it's had an hour, so we're going to boil it up, and then we're going to leave it in the tubs for another 30 minutes. But Oliver's going to take you through on boiling it up.
Now we're going to boil the pizza dough. So this is your pretty standard operation. 230 gram balls. 230 grams. Just need a little bit of smaller flour. This dough not being too sticky, you shouldn't need much. So just a little sprinkle. And as normal technique goes, stretch that out to get a nice tight skin. Down like that, and seal off with the blades of your hands. A little bit of flour in tub, or whatever vessel you are containing your dough within. Put it on the lid. In you go. Now we're going to leave that for half an hour.
Okay, so we've had half an hour, they're all boiled up, all ready to go. And what time is it, Oliver?
8 o'clock.
No, what other time is it?
Oh yeah, pizza time.
Ah, that's so well, congratulations. Yeah, it's pizza time, coming right up. Okay, so Oliver has done a fantastic job on these dough balls. Please leave a comment, let us know how he's done. But of course, the real proof is in the pizza making, so let's get to it. So, put them to one side. So we'll take one of these dough balls out. They're very warm still. We'll put a little smaller flour down. Put a nice pile in. Open one of these up. And let's see what we're going to get. Now, the texture of these does feel like frozen pizza dough. So let's just see what we get. They're not very soft, but there's not much spring bite in them. And if you hear any bangs going off, it's just after bonfire night in the UK, which is around the 5th of November. The dough itself is easier to work with, so if you're new to pizza making, you'll probably find this is not sticky at all. I think Oliver said something earlier about it not being sticky, so you'll really find this nice and easy to work with. So we'll just put a bit of tomato sauce on, and again just making sure that we don't touch the edges, so it looks a little bit nicer. It's a good job I'm ambidextrous, I can do this with both hands. So, tiny sprinkle of Parmigiano. Excellent. And just a little bit of grated mozzarella. A couple of these sun-dried tomatoes. And I'll just tear open one of these mozzarella balls. Put some pepperoni on. Pepperoni is our favourite topping here on this channel. Put some comments on. What's yours? Oliver's trying not to laugh filming that. Okay, so just put a bit of small flour on the peel. Okay, so let's put this one in. If you hear any loud bangs, it is the bonfire fireworks night. That's going nicely. Popping away. Oh, look at them pepperonis cupping up, Oliver. What do you think?
Very nice.
Okay, so we'll lump turning peel up.
Nice on crusts.
Nice on crust. Ink. Well, ourselves a finished pizza. Okay, let's have a look. That was pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that. Oh, listen to that. It still doesn't look too bad, you know. Have a look underneath. A bit of charring underneath. That's rather nice. Right, let's get a pizza cutter. Cool. Right, let's open this up. Let's have a look. It's obviously not quite the picture. Okay, Oliver, let's give this pizza a try.
Yep.
Grab yourself a slice. Don't forget, guys, this took 90 minutes. Just 90 minutes.
First impressions, it's pretty nice. For it taking 90 minutes, it's pretty good. It's quite a chewy pizza though.
Your mum's gonna kill you.
Linoleum.
If you're wanting a fast pizza,
It's not exactly melting in my mouth though, is it?
no. But if you're wanting a fast pizza, 90 minutes is exactly how long it's took us to make that dough. Just a little bit extra for cooking it. I think it's pretty good.
It's not got the picturesque crusts either. A bit flat.
But if you've got some friends coming round, a few beers, or lemonades in your case. Randy Oliver likes a whiskey, don't you?
For legal reasons, that's a joke.
For legal reasons, that's a joke. Well, you're probably wondering where we got this from. We got this from the Italian Gourmet. Links in the description. Hopefully they've still got some in stock because it's really, really good stuff in terms of speed. Would I have this all the time? No. Is it as good as making your own from scratch, 24-hour, 72-hour, 48-hour proving? Probably not. But if you're looking for something quick, a quick pizza fix, I think it's pretty good, Oliver. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. So all that remains for me to say is thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want some more of these videos because he's dead keen, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go, you see. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Right.